Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new creepy version of Pennywise from It 2. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this and let's make him nice and evil. So we're gonna draw in his mean brow first. So we can start out right in the middle. You can just draw two little lines like this first. And then from this corner here, we'll go up. So this is gonna be his mean brow. Go up and it's come back down. Okay, same thing on the other side. Let's go up, curve it back down. Okay, and then from here we're gonna draw in his eyeball. So we're gonna start on the bottom first. Start on the corner here. Just kind of come around. So that's gonna be the bottom of the eyelid. And then for the top here, from the corner, just go up into the brow. Okay, and then for the eyeball inside, just finish it off. I'm just gonna add one little dot right here, touching the top. Alright, so nice and mean, and now let's continue on with his nose. So his nose, we'll just keep it simple. We'll just draw in a little egg shape right in the middle. And then right here, I'm going to draw one circle. That's going to be my highlight. And I'll just shade around it. Alright, so that's easy enough. And now for the mouth. So it's just going to be one big curve around first. So like a big smiley face. And then from here, just kind of curve in. So nice and sharp on the corners. And on the bottom, we'll just round it out. Okay, and then we're gonna add some thickness to the lip here. So for the top lip, just gonna add from corner to corner, just add a little bit more space in the middle. And then same thing down here. Just kind of draw one big curve going around. So it's gonna be his lip, and then for the teeth, we'll just keep it simple. Just gonna add a few lines inside. Okay, and if you like, you can add in one more curve inside for the teeth. Okay, so now let's fill in the head shape, and then we'll add in the details inside. So we're gonna start out on the side right here. Just come out to the side from the brow. So it's almost like a straight line. Okay, so right around here. And then once you reach this point here, we just kind of come in. So it's nice and sharp, and then we'll round it out. Chin's a little bit longer. Okay, and then from here, we'll draw in the ear first. So right on this part, we'll just draw one little curve. And then now let's draw in the forehead. So it's gonna be really big. So we can go up from the corners. Okay, and then right in the middle here, we're gonna draw it's got a clump of hair. So we'll continue up, just leave a little bit of space. And then round this off. Okay, and then let's fill in the hair first since we're drawing this space already. So we're gonna go up on this side, just curve all the way up. This one's gonna curve in, and then just round out this curve right here. So it makes it look like it's flowing a little bit. And then from the top here, just gonna curve around the head. We'll stop right around here. Come down, and then now we're gonna go out, just curve up, same thing on both sides, and then whatever space you have here, we're just gonna curve into his ear. Okay, and to make it look like hair strands, we'll just add a couple of curves like this on each side. It's gonna go up and even up here. Alright, so now let's draw in the finish up the face with the markings inside. So right here, right in the middle of the eye, I'm just gonna draw one curve connecting to the corner of the mouth. And I'll make it a little bit thicker. So same thing here from the middle. It's curved, just one little bracket. Okay, and then on the top here, right on the corner, let's draw like a little sharp spike. Make it a little bit sharper on the tip. Alright, so that's the face, and now let's work on the body. So the body is a little bit easier. Let's start here, right underneath his ear. It's got that thing around his neck. Okay, so we'll just flare out first, and then come to the middle here, right underneath the chin. Just kind of draw one big curve. And then from here, whatever space you have here, I'm just gonna draw, I'll just draw three. Just like three little bumps all the way around. So 1, 2, 3. And then to finish this off, we're gonna add some lines. So it's gonna be radiating from the center here. So I'm just gonna draw some lines like this, all going to the center. Kind of aiming for the nose. Okay, so let's continue on with the body. So right around here, come down. Okay, right here, come down. Now pinch it all the way down. It's gonna be his waist. We'll close that off first. And then we'll add one section. This is gonna be, well, actually where his belt would be, but it doesn't have a belt. Okay, and then in the center here, let's just add one circle. Okay, so now let's draw in the shoulder pads here. Here's his armpit. Let's start up here. Just one big curve. And just close that off. So come here, curve, down. Let's come right across. Okay, and then for, I guess for the bicep area right here, here's the armpit, bracket, smaller bracket, and then we'll just close that off. Okay, armpit, so come down from here, smaller bracket, close it off with a little bit of a slant. And then for the lower arms is easy. We're just gonna draw in basically like a tube coming down all the way here. Close it off. And then we're gonna flare this out. And then we can close it off straight, or you can add a little bit waviness to it. Either way it'll work. Alright, so let's draw on the other side. Right around the waist area, close it off. And then we'll just flare it out. And then close it with a wavy line. Alright, and then for his hand, come right around here. Here's his thumb. Draw a little line here that's inside the palm. And then here's the back of the palm. And then for the fingers, just curl it. Just round off the tip. And then on the inside here, just one little bump for the other fingers. Okay, so same thing here on the other side. Here's his thumb, one little hook. One line slanting down. Back of the palm. And then same thing here, we'll just curve. Round it out. Same little detail inside here. Alright, so now let's add some details to this clothing up top. Right on the arm here, I'm just going to add in some lines across. So these are just small little details to make it look cooler. And then here, just going to add some lines going like this, because there's a lot of little folds. And even up here, just add some lines. Okay, so let's continue down, and right here, we're gonna flare this out. And then we'll come across, again, it could be straight or just slight waviness to it. And then right below it, I'm gonna draw one big bracket. And then we'll close this off. I know it's a little bit strange. And then in the middle here, we'll add one line. Okay, so now let's continue on. So his knee's right around here, but we're not gonna draw that because this is pretty much straight. So just come down straight and close it off first. And then we'll flare this out. Kind of the same thing as the hand part, the wrist part. And then we'll close it with a slight curve. And then let's draw on the other side. Just use this for reference. Same thing here, just flare it out and then close it off. Okay, and then for his legs, his lower leg here, just come straight down and come all the way across. So it's gonna be the bottom of his shoe. And then from this point here, just gonna curve it all the way around. And then right here, draw another line like this, close it off. So it's gonna be his foot right here, and we'll add in one little circle. Okay, so same thing here, continue with this line, come down, and then go across. One big curve coming back here. Same line as this, and then same detail here, one little circle. Alright, and then let's add in some details right here. So same thing, just lines all the way across. And then here, again, a few lines. And we can also add some lines here. Just kind of break it up a little bit. And that is it for this new version of Pennywise. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.